Hi everyone, Todd Granger, Director of Sales at Road Widener. Today I'm excited to give you a walk around on our Road Widener FHR. Let's go ahead and get started here at the front of the machine. On the front of all Road Widener units, you will find heavy-duty push rollers designed to adjust to meet the rear axles of almost any dump truck. To adjust, simply remove the retaining pin from the push roller arm behind the heavy-duty rubber guarding through the access flap. Once both pins have been removed, simply position your Road Widener unit at the proper distance behind your dump truck and slide the rollers forward to come as close to your rear tires as possible. Once your rollers are properly positioned, reinsert the retaining pins to lock the rollers in place. If you need a little extra reach for that rear axle, Road Widener offers optional 12-inch roller extensions. The process to install these is the same as adjusting the standard push rollers. Remove the retaining pins through the access flap, insert the extensions, reinsert the retaining pins, and now you're ready to add the original push roller assembly to the machine. If you need more flexibility to turn while utilizing the Road Widener, utilize the standard Pintle Hitch push plate. The Pintle push plate allows you to control the advancement of the dump truck by pushing on the hitch instead of the push rollers. This allows a greater freedom of movement to allow both the truck and the Road Widener to navigate bends and curves in the road or when the hitch extends past the rear of the tires. Some customers prefer to utilize the Pintle push plate at all times. The choice is yours. In order to protect the top of the hopper and contain material while loading, you will see heavy-duty rubber guarding surrounding both the upper and lower sections of the machine. This guarding protects the hopper from impact damage from both material and tailgate. Given that this is a wear item, the guarding is easily replaceable by removing the mounting bolts and replacing with a new rubber guarding kit. For the right-hand discharge units, the main operation of the machine is concentrated on this side. Just like our dual discharge units, shoe extension and retraction, as well as pitch angle and belt speed, are controlled through our remote. The remote allows a single operator to control all functions from the comfort of the cab. When moving the shoe, be sure to check if the guide bar and chain is attached. It is suggested that it is detached prior to any shoe movement. Moving the shoe while the guide bar and chain is attached can cause damage to the Road Widener. To extend or retract the shoe, first ensure that the hydraulic flow from your carrier is turned on, then depress and hold the shoe control buttons on the remote. There's a slight safety delay built into the remote that keeps accidental contact from operating the machine. Once the shoe is at the desired width, reattach the guide chain to keep the end plate of the shoe from deflecting. This will help ensure a clean, straight edge to your work. Belt speed is also controlled via remote control. Simply press and hold the button to either speed up or slow down the belt. There is also a button to stop the belt altogether. To restart, just press and hold the button again. To further enhance your Road Widener, we offer an optional curb backfill attachment. This attachment allows material to be placed over the top of a curb or obstacle to fill traffic islands, curb gores, walkways, and much more. This attachment extends the drop point of the Road Widener by 28 inches. Road Widener's line of road shouldering machines are designed to run on a wide variety of carriers, from large frame skid steers and track loaders to wheel loaders, backhoes, and even motor graders. Every unit's delivered from our factory with a standard skid steer attachment plate. Adapters are available directly from Road Widener to mount our machines on carriers without skid steer plates. Refer to the Road Widener adapter plate guide for specific models and details. Attaching our unit to the carrier is easy. Position the carrier's attachment plate into the Road Widener's receiver plate and secure with the locking mechanism on your carrier. First, connect the power cord. Second, connect the hydraulic hoses. And third, power on the remote, and you're on your way to incredible productivity. So thanks for taking the time to do a walk around on the Road Widener FHR with me today. To learn more about our products or to find your nearest dealer or Road Widener representative, please visit our website at www.roadwidenerllc.com.